let us do another question by solving by elimination method. So here we have minus 4x plus 3y equal minus 5. Let this be equation 1. Minus 6x plus 2y equal minus 10. Let this be equation number 2. So in the previous question, we have done by eliminating y. Now let us try eliminate x. Let us try to eliminate this all the terms containing x. Eliminate all the term containing x. So again, we have chosen, the first step is choose the variable, eliminate. We have chosen x. So make the coefficient of that variable to be the same. So now we make the coefficient. Which term contains x? It is minus 4x and minus 6x, isn't it? Minus 4x and minus 6x. So here we have the coefficient of x in equation 1 is minus 4. And here we have the coefficient of x in equation 2, we have minus 6. So we have to make this coefficient to be the same. So how do we do that? We just find their common multiple, or the least common multiple, which is the LCM. 2 into 2 equal 4, 2 into 3 equal 6, 2 into 1 are 2, we write 3, 3, 1, 3 into 1. So LCM of 4 and 6 is equal how much? 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. And that's equal to 4 into 2 into 2 equal 4. 4 into 3 equal 12. So 12. So now we make 4 into 12. We convert this 4 into 12. Okay, so how do we do that? 4 multiply how much will we get? 12. 4 multiply how much will we get? 12. 4 multiply 3. And 6 multiply how much will we get? 12. 6 multiply 2. 6 multiply 2, we will get 12. So here we see that we have to multiply the equation 1 throughout by 3. Okay, we do not multiply only 3 with 4. We have to multiply throughout in order to balance it. So 3, we have to multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. So now we multiply them. We get multiplying equation number 1 first by how much? By 3. So by 3. We get 3 multiply minus 4x, we have minus 12x plus 3 multiply 3y equal 9y equal 3 multiply minus 5 equal minus 15. Let this be equation number 3. Now we have to multiply equation 2 by 2. So equation 2 by 2. 2 multiply minus 6x, we have minus 12x. 2 multiply plus 2y, we have plus 4y and equal minus 10. 2 multiply minus 10 is minus 20. Let this be equation number 4. So now we have got these two new equations. So now we have make the coefficient of that variable to be the same. So we have chosen x to be the same, and we make the coefficient, all the coefficient containing the term containing the variable x, we have make it to be the same. Here is in here the coefficient of x is minus 12, and here in equation 4 also is minus 12. So we have make them to be the same. Now what we do, we add or subtract them. We add or subtract these two equations. So here I have wrote it down for you. If this term containing x is in the same sign, then we must subtract them. If they are in opposite side, we must add them. So here what do we see? We see minus 12x and minus 12x. So they are of the same sign. They have minus in both of them. So what should we do? We must subtract them. We must subtract them. So equation, let me subtract equation 3 minus equation number 4. So we first write equation 3. Remember, left side with left side first. Minus 12x plus 9y minus equation 4. Here the left side of equation 4 is minus 12x plus 4y equal minus 15. Now the right hand side, and the right hand side of equation 4 is, so minus, we have to subtract, that is why this minus is there, and minus 20. So now we open up the bracket, minus 12x plus 9y. Here minus into minus equal plus, 12x minus into plus equal minus, so minus 4y equal minus 15, minus into minus we have plus 20, and implies, so now we rearrange this a little bit. Remember, we have to add or subtract only the like term. So here we have 12x minus 12x. So which term has x in it? It is this 12x. So we rearrange them together. Minus 12x and plus 12x. Again, this is 9y. So we rearrange them together with minus 4y. Plus 9y minus 4y. Now remember, we only add or subtract the like terms. So here has x, so we must add or subtract with those terms containing x only. And here there's simply numbers, minus plus, so minus, so we have to subtract. 20 minus 15 equal 5, and which is greater? 20 is assigned with plus sign, so hence we write plus. Implies minus 12x with plus 12x. Minus plus, we have to minus. 12 minus 12 equal 0, isn't it? 0. So equal 0. This whole thing will be equal to 0. Hence, we have eliminated the terms containing x. So implies, or let us do this, solve this. 9y minus 4y plus minus, so minus, so we have to subtract. 9 minus 4 equal 5. Now remember, if we add or subtract these two, we have to only add or subtract their coefficients. So 9 minus 4 equal 5, 5y. And which sign to put, whether we have to put plus sign or minus sign? Here we have to put the plus sign because 9 is greater than 4. And 9 is assigned with which sign? It's assigned with this plus sign. So that is why we put plus. Equal 5. Implies 0 plus 5y equal 5y. Implies y equal 5. This is always 5y means 5 multiply y. So this multiplication, when we carry it to the other side, becomes a division divided by 5. Implies, what is 5 by 5? 5 by 5 is 5 1 are 5, 5 1 are 5. Hence y equal to 1. So now we have got the value of y. Let me do it in the same page to find the value of x. Putting next step, putting y equal 1 in equation. Let me put it in equation number 1. Okay, this is equation 1. Minus 4x, so minus 4x plus 3y plus 3y. What do we have? The value 1. So 3, 1 equal minus 5. Implies minus 4x plus 3 into 1 equal 3 equal minus 5. Implies minus 4x, carry this 3 to the other side. What do we have? We have minus 5 This is plus 3. Carry to the other side, we have minus 3. Implies minus 4x equal minus minus plus. So we have to add them. 5 plus 3 equal 8. And which number is greater? It is 5, isn't it? And 5 is a sign with which sign? Is a sign with this minus sign. The sign of 5 is always in front, okay? It is not this sign. It is always in front. So we have minus. This is minus. So hence we write minus. Implies x equal minus 8. Now remember, this is minus 4x, means minus 4 multiply x. So when we carry the minus 4 to the other side, it becomes a divide. Implies x equal minus minus gets cancelled. 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8. So x equal 2. So now we have got the value of x and the value of y. X equal 2 and y equal 1. This is the elimination method. We can solve those previous questions which we have done by substitution also. We can solve those by elimination also, okay? Which one you find it easiest, you do it with that method, whether substitution or elimination.